Skyrider X1, a smarter, faster, and greener way to travel. The Skyrider X1 is a revolutionary transportation concept designed to make travel faster, smoother, and eco-friendly. Picture sleek, autonomous electric pods gliding effortlessly on elevated tracks or maglev systems, reaching high speeds without emissions. With just a tap on an app, you can summon a ride that bypasses traffic, slashes travel time, and offers a smarter way to commute. Built to seamlessly fit into smart cities, the Skyrider X1 blends speed, sustainability, and cutting-edge technology to reshape both urban and inner-city transportation. Though still a concept, it offers a thrilling glimpse into the future of mobility, where travel is efficient, effortless, and green. Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation, the fastest electric aircraft. The Rolls-Royce Spirit of Innovation has made history in electric aviation, pushing the boundaries of speed and performance. Built to break records, this high-tech aircraft reached a breathtaking 336 knots, 387 miles per hour, far exceeding the previous 182-knot record, and even approaching the legendary 131 Schneider Trophy speed of 298 knots. Developed at Gloucestershire Airport with support from the UK government, the project was a collaboration between Rolls-Royce, YASA Limited, and Electroflight. The aircraft is powered by cutting-edge electric engines and advanced control systems, proving that sustainable flight can be both incredibly fast and highly efficient. With its groundbreaking performance, the Spirit of Innovation marks a huge step forward for electric aviation, showcasing the future of high-speed, eco-friendly air travel. The Nawa 5X is a next-generation electric aircraft with vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) technology. Created through a partnership between Nawa Aero and leading aviation companies, it's a game-changer in the world of air mobility. This versatile aircraft can reach speeds of up to 400 kilometers per hour and fly as high as 2,000 meters. It's perfect for many uses, including military operations, transport, delivery, medical evacuations, tourism, and agriculture. Despite its powerful capabilities, the Nawa 5X is compact, just a little bigger than an SUV, setting a new standard for space efficiency in aviation. The Nawa 5X isn't just an aircraft. It's a symbol of the future of aviation, sustainable, efficient, and adaptable to meet a wide range of needs. Node Air, based in Miami, is changing how cities move with its futuristic electric aircraft. Their standout creation, the Node, is a vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, eVTOL, designed with a clever modular system. This allows it to quickly switch between carrying passengers, delivering cargo, or taking on special missions, just by swapping different pods. What makes it even more impressive is its advanced vector thrust technology, developed with JEX. This gives the Node the power and flexibility to navigate busy urban areas efficiently, making it ideal for everything from daily commutes to rapid deliveries. Launched in 2022, NodeAir isn't just building aircraft, it's building the future of city travel. By blending air and ground transport into one smooth system, they aim to reduce traffic, lower pollution, and make urban travel quicker and smarter. With a strong focus on sustainability and innovation, NodeAir is leading the way toward a cleaner. Imagine boarding the biggest passenger plane ever imagined, a double-decker superjet that could carry up to 900 people. That was the vision behind Lockheed Martin's Very Large Subsonic Transport VLSD from the 1990s. Designed to help ease airport crowding, this giant aircraft had a massive 282-foot wingspan and was 262 feet long. It even featured folding wingtips and could carry shipping containers inside its huge belly. With its unique two-level design and seating for 17 across, the VLSD was meant to be a true giant of the skies. But despite its impressive size and smart features, the project never got off the ground. Challenges like limited flying range, high operating costs, and the need for airports to upgrade their runways and terminals stopped it from becoming real. Although the VLSD never flew, it still offers a fascinating peek at what the future of air travel might have been. A bold, massive step toward moving hundreds of passengers at once and reshaping how we fly. NASA's next Mars helicopter mission aims to build on the incredible success of the Ingenuity helicopter, which completed 72 flights by January 2024. This achievement opens up exciting possibilities for future missions, including drones that could explore Mars's most challenging terrains. Although NASA hasn't shared specific plans for the next helicopter mission, they're pushing the limits of innovation. One of their main goals is the Mars Sample Return mission, which plans to bring back samples from Mars to study in more detail. NASA is also focusing on exploring Mars's landscape, including pits and caves, to see if they could be potential habitats for astronauts in the future. These ongoing missions are helping us understand Mars better and are shaping the future of space exploration. The EOS-X spaceship is Europe's exciting entry into luxury space tourism. This futuristic balloon ride lifts you nearly 40 kilometers above Earth, offering breathtaking views of the planet's curve and the endless darkness of space. The journey begins in Seville or Abu Dhabi and lasts around 5 hours. You'll gently float upward for 2 hours, enjoy 2 full hours at the edge of space, and then descend smoothly over the final hour. All of this happens inside a sleek, pressurized capsule built for comfort. It features cozy seating, mood lighting, a restroom, and even a bar, so you can relax while floating at the edge of space. With room for just 8 people, including the pilot, the EOS-X offers a quiet, zero-emission experience that's both peaceful and unforgettable. Tickets range from €150 to €200,000, making it a once-in-a-lifetime trip for those dreaming of space. More than just a flight, the EOS-X is a glimpse into the future of travel, where adventure, comfort, and sustainability come together far above the clouds. Imagine a hotel that never lands. A flying luxury resort cruising through the skies, powered by nuclear fusion. The Sky Hotel is a futuristic concept designed to stay airborne for months without refueling. This massive floating paradise has everything you'd expect from a five-star resort. Spacious rooms with stunning aerial views, gourmet dining, swimming pools, shopping areas, and a high-end fitness center make it a dream destination. Guests can even hop on and off mid-flight using special detachable planes. With breathtaking views and unmatched luxury, the Sky Hotel offers an experience like no other. But this level of exclusivity comes at a steep price. A standard room starts at $50,000 per night, with premium suites costing even more.
Joby Aviation S4. Joby Aviation's S4 AirCab is making big moves to stay ahead of the flying taxi race. They've already flown over 48,000 kilometers during testing and are now gearing up to get official approval. Excitingly, they have more test flights planned in Dubai around mid-year. This electric flying vehicle, called an eVTOL, can carry up to 4 passengers and reach speeds up to 322 kilometers per hour. It can fly about 240 kilometers on a single charge. Joby Aviation is promoting the S4 as a clean, eco-friendly way to travel, an alternative to sitting in traffic. Booking a ride is super simple. Just tap a button in an app, and your seat is reserved. The only thing left to find out is how much these sky rides will cost. But one thing's for sure, flying above the traffic jam sounds pretty amazing.
Rolls-Royce turbo generator, taking eVTOLs further and stronger. Electric VTOL aircraft powered by batteries are great for short trips around the city, like quick air taxis. But what about longer trips or carrying bigger loads? That's where Rolls-Royce is stepping up with a clever new tool. They're creating a compact turbo generator that acts like a range extender for hybrid eVTOL planes. This small but powerful device gives extra energy, letting these electric aircraft fly farther without stopping to recharge. Rolls-Royce will offer turbo generators with power between 500 and 1,200 kilowatts, fitting many types of flying vehicles. They're also developing smart power systems that can either recharge the batteries or directly power the motors, depending on what the plane needs at the moment. This means the aircraft can not only travel longer distances, but also get a quick power boost to carry heavier cargo when needed. Thanks to Rolls-Royce's turbo generator, hybrid eVTOLs could become more powerful, flexible, and ready to change how we travel through cities and beyond. Solar-powered aircraft are flying high above the clouds, leading a new era of clean, green aviation. These amazing planes can stay up in the stratosphere for weeks or even months without landing, powered completely by sunlight. During the day, they soak up energy with advanced solar panels that cover their big wings. At night, they use stored battery power to keep flying non-stop. No fuel needed. Lightweight and emission-free, These aircraft offer a smart, eco-friendly alternative to satellites. They help bring internet to remote areas, keep an eye on the environment, assist in disaster relief, and perform high-altitude surveillance. This technology isn't just a future dream, it's happening right now. Solar-powered planes are changing how we connect and protect our planet, creating a cleaner, smarter, and more connected world from way up above. The Hill HX-50 is a next-level personal helicopter designed to give private pilots the perfect mix of power, luxury, and simplicity. Built by Hill Helicopters, this modern marvel brings together cutting-edge technology with elegant design, setting a new standard in personal aviation. Its powerful yet fuel-efficient engine delivers smooth performance, while advanced avionics make flying smart and safe. The spacious cabin is all about comfort, featuring wide panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views from every angle. The HX-50 is built with everyday pilots in mind. Easy to fly, low on maintenance, and packed with user-friendly controls. You don't need to be a pro to enjoy the ride. It's designed to make flying feel natural and fun. Whether you're heading out on a weekend adventure or just enjoying the freedom of the skies, the HX-50 offers an experience that's both thrilling and refined. With its strong focus on safety, style, and performance, this helicopter is set to change how we see private air travel. The Venus Aerospace Stargazer M4 is a next-level aircraft that could completely change how we travel. Still in development, this hypersonic plane is built to fly at Mach 4, which is around 3,000 miles per hour. That's 5 times faster than today's commercial jets. What makes the Stargazer M4 even more exciting is that it's being designed as the world's first reusable hypersonic aircraft. That means it won't just be fast, but also efficient and built to last. With this kind of speed, trips that normally take hours could be cut down to just minutes. Imagine flying across continents in the time it takes to watch a short movie. The Stargazer M4 could make that a reality. It's a bold step toward the future of global travel. Faster, smarter, and more exciting than ever before. The H2Fly HY4 is a groundbreaking aircraft that's paving the way for greener air travel. It's the world's first electric aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen, proving that hydrogen can be the key to cleaner, longer flights. Developed by the German company H2Fly, this aircraft is designed to fly medium to long distances without producing any harmful emissions. The HY4 uses cryogenic liquid hydrogen instead of gas, which allows it to achieve a remarkable flight range of up to 1,500 kilometers. This innovation makes air travel more efficient, quieter, and much better for the environment. The aircraft's unique twin fuselage design allows it to carry up to 4 passengers comfortably. It's not just a prototype. This aircraft is a real step towards sustainable aviation. H2Fly is now teaming up with Deutsche Aircraft to expand this technology. Together, they aim to develop regional aircraft that can carry up to 40 passengers. making clean air travel a realistic option for everyday flights. This project marks the beginning of a major shift in aviation, helping to reduce carbon emissions and make air travel greener for the future. Meet the UDX Airwolf Hoverbike, a futuristic flying machine that's fast, sleek, and electric. This high-tech hoverbike takes off and lands vertically like a drone, then speeds through the air like a jet. It goes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds and can hit a top speed of 230 kilometers per hour. Whether you're zipping across town or heading to a remote spot, the Airwolf makes it quick and exciting. It's eco-friendly too. On a full charge, it can fly for 25 minutes and cover up to 66 kilometers. Its lightweight carbon composite wings help save energy, so you can fly farther with less power. Charging is simple. Just use a regular car charger to reach 90% in around 30 minutes. The Airwolf's smart tilt rotor system lets it take off straight up, fly forward smoothly, and land safely. It's powerful, efficient, and fun to fly. With a price tag of €350,000, it's not cheap, but it's built for thrill seekers, tech lovers, and future-focused flyers who want the ultimate ride in the sky. Airspeeder Crude, racing like you've never seen before. The Airspeeder Mk4 blasts off from a standstill to 225 miles per hour in just 30 seconds, making it the fastest hydrogen-electric VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, craft in the world. It can fly up to 300 kilometers on one charge and handles just like a Formula One car, with a powerful 1,340 horsepower engine, but weighing only 950 kilograms. This isn't your typical flying vehicle. It's a total game changer. The Airspeeder Mk4 is kicking off a brand new era in racing, where speed, tech, and innovation come together like never before. It's the ultimate challenge for the most creative and driven automakers and racing teams on the planet. The first ever Airspeeder Crude races will start in 2024, giving racers a shot at making history. Prices for this futuristic racer range from $1.5 million to $1.7 million, depending on the features and custom options you want. The Renault Air 4 is a futuristic flying car concept designed to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the iconic Renault 4. Created in collaboration with RL, this innovative vehicle replaces traditional wheels with 4 powerful drone-like propellers, allowing it to take off and hover like a quadcopter. Built with lightweight carbon fiber, the Air 4 features a sleek, retro-futuristic design. It's powered by lithium-ion batteries, reaching a top speed of 93 miles per hour, 150 kilometers per hour, and can fly as high as 700 meters, 2,300 feet. While it's still just a concept, the Renault Air 4 offers an exciting glimpse into the future of personal air travel, where flying cars could soon become a reality. Tecnam P2006 NG series. The Tecnam P2006T NG series is a lightweight twin-engine aircraft designed for smart, efficient flying. It's powered by 2 Rotax 9112 S3 engines that offer great fuel economy, a cruising speed of around 250 kilometers per hour, 135 knots, and a range of over 1,300 kilometers, making it perfect for regional trips. Built mainly from aluminum, it's tough, easy to maintain, and made to last. It's certified for both VFR and IFR operations, which means it's ready for flight training, surveillance missions, or personal travel. The NG, or Next Generation version, brings modern upgrades to the cockpit and cabin. It features a fully digital Garmin G1000 NXi avionics suite, better aerodynamics, and a redesigned interior for a smoother and more comfortable flight experience. With seating for 4, low fuel costs, and the ability to take off from shorter runways, the P2006T NG is a practical option for pilots who want performance without the price tag of a jet. It's simple to fly, reliable, and incredibly versatile. Whether you're learning to fly or just looking for a smart way to travel, the Tecnam P2006T NG proves that flying can be affordable, efficient, and a lot of fun.
Cyclotech Blackbird. Great news from Cyclotech. In April, they successfully tested their Blackbird prototype. Even though it's still a smaller version, this test is a huge step for both the market and science. The Blackbird is the world's first electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft to use cyclorotors. These big cylinders have walls made of adjustable blades that constantly change to match the airflow. Why is this important? Unlike regular propellers that need time to spin up and push air, cyclorotors respond almost instantly and can move thrust in any direction, a full 360 degrees. This means the Blackbird has incredible control, even in bad weather. Cyclotech plans to release a full production model around 2035. It will be a two-seater with a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour, aimed at luxury buyers rather than everyone. This new technology could totally change how flying vehicles work.
Recoverable launch boosters are revolutionizing space travel by making rocket launches much cheaper and better for the environment. Before, the first stage of a rocket was simply discarded after launch, falling into the ocean and becoming scrap. But now, thanks to companies like SpaceX with their Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy rockets, these boosters can return to Earth and land upright, either on floating drone ships or landing pads, so they can be repaired and flown again. Being able to reuse boosters cuts the cost of every launch dramatically and speeds up how quickly we can explore space. Other companies like Blue Origin with their New Shepard rocket and ULA with the upcoming Vulcan Centaur are also building their own reusable boosters. This technology is a huge step forward. It's making space travel more affordable, more frequent, and more sustainable. With these advances, the dream of exploring space regularly and easily is closer than ever before.
Pivotal. The team behind Pivotal's eVTOL is making big moves, and fast. Just last year, they delivered the very first 5 units to customers, showing they're serious about bringing flying electric vehicles into the real world. On top of that, 8 prototypes were sent to the U.S. Air Force for testing, which is a huge vote of confidence in their technology. So, what makes the Pivotal eVTOL special? For starters, it's a fully electric aircraft that can cruise comfortably at 129 kilometers per hour. On a single charge, it can fly about 64 kilometers, which is perfect for short trips or city-to-city travel. But the coolest part? It's designed to take off and land almost anywhere. Whether it's asphalt, snow, ice, or even water, this flying vehicle can handle it all thanks to its amphibious design. Imagine a car that doesn't just stick to the roads but can also float and fly above lakes or snowy landscapes. Pivotal is making that possible. This level of flexibility opens up all kinds of new travel possibilities, especially in areas where traditional aircraft or vehicles struggle. Best of all, the base model of the Pivotal eVTOL is priced at about $190,000. That's a lot less than many other flying vehicles and could make it more accessible to everyday users in the near future. The future of flying cars is taking off, and Pivotal is leading the way.
The Airfish Wing and Ground WIG craft is a fascinating and futuristic vehicle that glides just above the water's surface. It uses a special trick called the ground effect. When flying close to the water, the air pressure under its wings increases, giving it extra lift and less resistance. This lets the airfish faster and use less fuel than traditional boats. It's designed to take off from and land on water, combining features of both boats and airplanes. This makes it perfect for quick coastal trips, moving cargo, or even military and public service missions. Flying just a few meters above the water, the airfish can reach speeds far higher than regular boats. And compared to planes flying similar distances, it's much more fuel efficient. Overall, the Airfish offers a smart, speedy, and eco-friendly way to travel over water, blending the best of air and sea travel into one innovative craft. Toyota's SkyDrive SD03 is a compact flying car that's bringing the future of city travel to life. Created by SkyDrive Inc. with help from Toyota, this electric vehicle can take off and land vertically, just like a drone, making traffic jams a thing of the past. Designed for short trips, it flies at speeds up to 30 miles per hour for around 10 minutes. It carries a pilot and one passenger, offering a quick, smooth, and eco-friendly ride over busy streets. With zero emissions and quiet electric motors, it's a clean and green way to travel. What makes the SD03 special is its rotor dome design, which keeps the flight stable and safe. Its small size also makes it perfect for zipping through tight urban spaces. And here's the best part. It starts at around $37,000. That makes it one of the most affordable flying vehicles out there, turning the dream of flying cars into reality. The SkyDrive SD03 isn't just transportation. It's a bold, new way to move through the city. The future is here, and it's ready for takeoff. Want this turned into a YouTube voiceover script or a social media caption?